Hey guys, do you want to see me go from this to this? Because if so, let's jump right into it. What's up guys, it's your girl Ty and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for being here. And if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you will be notified every time I drop a video. So with that being said, on today, your girl was not feeling washing her hair. I was not feeling it, y'all. I was not feeling it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Don't act like I'm the only one over here that don't be feeling like washing her hair for the week. So I'm going to show you how to slick down your dirty hair, or AKA your 1 week old hair, because that's what it is. So if you need some help slicking down those pretty coils of yours, your girl got you. Stay tuned and we're gonna get right into it.
Hey there guys. So I'm just starting off with misting my hair with some water. It's not warm or anything, it's just room temperature. And I am misting a lot because as you can see, my hair is so dry, shrunken, and like matted. It was just a hot mess. But that's what happens when you have week-old hair. I know what y'all thinking. I know you're like, sis, what is wrong with your head? Well, as Smokey would say off Friday, tell your dad to comb his head. Look like a bunch of spiders having a meeting on his head.
Y'all, I'm sorry, but I had to throw that in there. I couldn't help myself.
Essentially, after you moisturize your hair with your water, whatever you may be using, you want to make sure that you are detangling your hair after you go in and apply the leave-in conditioner.
So I'm just combing my hair so that I'm getting all the tangles out of it and all of the dead hair. And I just added the leave-in conditioner to help make my hair more pliable and to add moisture back into my hair because it was dry. I have not been able to wash my hair yet. So this is a quick hairstyle for anyone that doesn't have time to wash their hair for the week. I'm just showing you how to slick your hair back into a low, sleek puff. And I just wanted to advise again, it is very important to finger detangle your hair before you start the combing process. Otherwise,
you're going to cause excessive breakage if you just go straight to combing and you don't finger detangle first. So make sure that you do finger detangle your hair first before you start combing out that part. That will help reduce a lot of breakage moving forward. And then when you comb your hair, you just want to make sure you hold your hair. You don't want to just be combing it. I'm just going to speed up this process just real quick so we can move on to the next step.
Now all my hair is completely detangled. So now I'm just going to take down the back first and I'm going to start slicking back my hair. Oh, but before we do that, you want to take some oil to seal in each part. So I'm going to use this curl essence, which is Jamaican black castor oil, and it is coconut oil mixed together. And these are both great sealants. Now I'm going to take this Shine and Gem conditioning gel, extra hold. I know that this works good on my hair and it gives it a shine at the same time while holding it. I'm going to take my little medium hard bristle brush. Just gonna make sure I get my kitchen, my edges, and then I'm just gonna put that in a soft little ponytail holder with no metal piece. Now we're gonna go back here because this is the next one closest to the back. And then we're just going to add more oil. We're gonna use our prayer hand and smooth this baby down. And just because my hair is a little thick, I'll make sure I get all of the ends, especially since my hair was so dry before we got started. But y'all, look at that. Look at that definition though. And so now we're just gonna take our gel. We're just gonna start up here, start gelling it down. It's always better to work in sections. Okay, moving on to the next section. Okay, so now we're adding our gel.
And I'm just going to continue the same process until I get up to the front, and then I will slide back in.
So since I'm doing a half part, that's why I kept my part like this. So let me straighten this out. Okay, that looks as good as it's gonna get, guys. All right, so now I'm just going to slick this down. So now since I got that kind of straight, I don't know why, but my front always does this, and that's kind of why I don't do half part. Just seems like my hair doesn't stay together. I'm gonna go over it again. So now I'm about to use my Slick Me Down. I use this on other hairstyles from made by Aiden's Black-owned company. You have not tried her products, you definitely should. They truly do work. I'm just running out of this, so I kind of wanted to preserve it. But this truly does slick down my hair. Okay, do have a couple flyaways that wants to be a bonehead. So we are going to take another gel to go over our flyaways when we get done swooping this last section. In case you're wondering why I'm saving my Aiden's product, it's because this is a one-day hairstyle and I don't want to waste my Aiden's for a one-day hairstyle. So I'm technically washing my hair soon as I am done with this style. All right, I have completely smoothed my hair down. Okay, I took my Style Factor Edge Booster and I just took a little bit in my hands. I rubbed it in and then I just smeared it over the rest of my hair to take away any flyaways. So this is what my hair is looking like. And now I'm just going to apply a scarf for about 30 minutes, a silk scarf, so that I keep all the moisture in my head, and then we'll be back. So it has officially been over an hour since I've had this on, so our hair should be nice and dry and there should be no flyaways. What I should have did though was twist up my ends before I let this dry. Ooh, look at that. Look at the hair, y'all. Look at that slick down. That slick down game on point, y'all. On point. Okay, so now since we got that done, well, I'm getting all excited. Let me try to twist up my ends before they break off. Cause we know we ain't having that, y'all. I ain't worked this hard to get this far to have them break off now. No ma'am, no sir. I'm gonna make them in smaller twists because I don't want them to come apart. Make sure y'all let me know down below in the comments what y'all think about my slick down game. Did I sleek my hair pretty good? What y'all think? I would like to know your thoughts. Don't be stingy with them. Let your girl know. I just took 2 little bands and I just banded this part together, and my ends are gonna be fine because I twisted it all, so we're good to go. And honestly, if you didn't want to add anything to your hair, you didn't have to, but this is for my girls who want some length like me. I want some more length. So with that being said, I'm using this Jamaican twist hair. I had this hair probably like 2 years or something, and I never used it. I'm gonna just round up this hair real quick. Okay, so this is the rest of the hair. Okay, so now I'm just going to rubber band the top of the hair to keep it together. But before I do that, I'm going to oil it because it's going on in my hair. We ain't playing about our hair over here. And now I'm going to take this same rubber band and I'm going to go over my hair like this. And one time should do it. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm taking the short pieces and I am going to twist it over my hair.
And then after I'm done twisting it, I am going to wrap it around my ponytail and then fold it underneath, but then I bobby pin it just so that it stays in place and it does not move. Then after that, you want to just start taking your rubber bands and applying your bubble effect for your ponytail. And all I'm doing is just carefully pulling the rubber band up, which is kind of hard with this kinky hair. It'll be much easier with the silky hair, but hey, I'm up for the challenge. So I'm just going to continue to keep creating a new bubble, and you can go all the way down if you like. I didn't go all the way down to the bottom. I left some hair free. I kind of wanted a tail. So that's pretty much your, decision of what you want your ponytail to look like all the way down. But this is how I decided to do it. And then I'm just going to take another piece of loose hair and I'm just going to wrap it around like that so that everything is looking good. And now I am going to apply my gold strings because, I'm a sucker for hair jewelry.
All right, guys. So what did you guys think? But yeah, if you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out now. And if you're not following me on IG, you need to get over there so we can get connected and you can see what I'm doing outside of YouTube. But that is it. That is all your girl has today. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, make sure to leave this video a thumbs up. And till next week, your girl is gone. Peace.